Bore da, croeso I gwasanaeth dathliad. Good morning and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. Who are our Golden Wristband winners this week? Starting in the nursery, and in the morning nursery, Miss Marshall-Clucas has chosen Elsie Matthews and Ollie Harrison, and in the afternoon nursery, she has chosen Zara Moore and Esme Matthews. In reception this week, Miss Harries has awarded her golden wristbands to Aria Griffiths and Freddie Hancock for following the Windsor Clive Way all week. In Mrs. McLaggen and Mrs. Haggett's reception class, they've chosen for their golden wristbands Emily Rose Evans and Aboudi Abayazid. In Mrs. Jonas and Mrs. Lace's Year 1 class this week, they've chosen two girls who have followed the Windsor Clive Way, Alexis Young and Eva May Lovell. In the other Year 1 class, Mrs. Mogford has chosen two pupils this week, Finley Seward and Aria Hussain, for being ready, safe and respectful. Now, in Year 2, Mrs. Lansing and Mrs. Protheroe have awarded their golden wristbands to Rashida Hassan and Angel Care this week. In Mrs. Thompson's Year 2 class, she's awarded her golden wristbands to two girls, and they are Nadine Osborne and Isabel Stewart. In our Wellbeing class, Mrs. Harris has awarded Caden James with a golden wristband this week. Well done, Caden. Now we're in Key Stage 2, and in Year 3, Miss Reynolds has chosen Alexis Duke and Carson Aquilina for golden wristbands in her class this week. And next door, in Mrs. MacDonald's Year 3 class, she's awarded her golden wristbands to Tasha Gonzalez and Dunn Hingston for following the Windsor Clive Way in Year 3 all week long. In Year 4, Mrs. Harris and Mrs. Fancourt have chosen Tracy Chen and Jake Howells-Jones for golden wristbands this week because they're always ready, safe and respectful. Now in Miss Harris' Year 4 class, and Mr. Lewis and Mr. Hartland have chosen Riley J. Rowlands and Nevaeh Griswood Dolan for following the Windsor Clive Way in their class this week. Next, in Year 5, and Miss Cosslett has chosen Abdullah Gaddafi and Atib Khan for golden wristbands this week in her class. In our other Year 5 class, Miss Morris has given golden wristbands to Harvey Wisdom and Angel Matanmi for following the Windsor Clive Way in and out of the classroom. In Year 6 this week, Mrs. Mings has chosen two boys, Richard Dicepecker and Ishmael Khan, because they've been ready, safe and respectful, and they've earned golden wristbands. And finally, in Miss Cruz's Year 6 class, she has chosen Abdul Khan and Noor Shah for being ready, safe and respectful across the week in her class. Congratulations to everybody for such a super week this week. Well done to all of you. Have a really good Friday.